Hey guys, just I don't know, a demonstration, I guess you could say, of my new 1x30. I won this Tanto knife. It's supposed to look like a K-bar, so it's just a replica. I won it from Three River Blades from doing a knife contest with him. I haven't really done anything with it because it's actually been so dull. I sharpened it up a little bit, but there's only so much you can do. I don't know if it was supposed to be a chisel grind or something, but it wasn't sharpened on one side. It was only sharpened it was only sharpened this side, and the silver part you see was what I did. So I got it best I could with the tools I had, so didn't really do much. It is actually sharper than way sharper than it actually was. So here's the knife. Okay, so it's not like too bad once you get it started, but you can't do anything like it's just gonna tear that paper to bits. There's the tip. Tip's actually not right here is actually the sharpest part, so it's still not smooth. It's still rough cutting. So I've never sharpened a knife before on this 1x30, so test it out, see how it goes. Hey, you can see I extended it. There's that side, that's the side I've been working on, and that's the side that was factory, I don't know, done. So that, till that, it's actually pretty straight. So, it's looking just fine, so a couple passes on that side, a couple passes on the other side. How it works. Okay. Not too bad. Beginner's luck. I'd say for first time, it's good. This is I don't know, factory belt that they gave me, so it came with the grinder. It's not holding up that bad. Could be better, but I still have to get the burrs off this. You won't be able to focus, but there you go. Let's see how well I can sharpen knives. Oh, I can sharpen knives. I just found that out. So this is with the burr on, so it's not too bad. Where can I cut? I can cut right here. I'm finding that actually right near the back, it's actually a little chipped. There's some chips, so that's why cutting back here, you can kind of hear it. Listen carefully. You can kind of hear it skipping, and then up here, you can hear it. So then right here is actually the smooth part, but it could just be the burr. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, tip's good. So I'll do a little bit more on it. But yeah, this thing works. Tracks perfect. Right out of the box. So yeah. I don't know if I actually looked up jigs and stuff, but I probably don't need a jig. It's actually pretty easy because it's just straight. So I'll do a little more, and then in the end I'll show you the results.